Claude is a game changer, and one of the ways that you can use it for your business is to help you optimize your Facebook ads, help you optimize your website so that you can get a lot more sales and a lot more traffic. So today I'm going to show you how to connect a tool inside of Claude to do just that. And I'm going to give you an amazing prompt that's going to help you analyze your entire website so you can get your ads clicking, you can get your website clicking, you can get more traffic, more bookings, more sales, more consultations, all the things that you want to help your business. Let's go. What am I talking about? So in terms of Claude Code, if you don't know, you can do connections. So you can go in here and you can do customize, and then you can add connectors. And there's a bunch. You can search for connections in here that you can connect and then Claude can interact with, which is really, really next level, really helpful. You can connect your Gmail and have it send you a summary of every morning of your important emails, so you never have to look at your email again. You can connect to all kinds of websites and apps on here. The connection that I am specifically talking about is if you type in Microsoft, is Microsoft Clarity. This thing is next level. And if you don't know what it is, it basically analyzes your website so that you know what is going on, what is happening within your website. The nice thing about connecting it to Clarity is then Claude can interact with this and you can just ask Claude questions. You don't have to go in here and try and decipher and analyze all of this stuff in here. Claude can interact with it. And I'm going to give you a couple of use cases on how to interact with your website and your ads, because a lot of people make the mistake, when you're running your ads, they think that the actual ad copy is the problem, which sometimes it is. But usually it's after the ad when they come to your funnel, they come to your landing page, there's problems within your landing page that you need to address. Clarity allows you to see those problems and identify those problems, and Claude can help visualize that and help analyze that and tell you exactly what is wrong. So this is nice. You can kind of see where people are coming from, which channels they're coming from, campaigns they're coming from, sources, basically any information that about your users and where your traffic is coming from, which is nice. You can kind of see, okay, which pages are doing well, how long are they staying on pages, what are the bounce rates. The other nice thing that you can see, and this is probably one of the cooler features, is in the recordings, you can check for specific recordings and see how people are interacting with your funnels. If you're doing ads funnels and you have your landing page, you can kind of see, okay, how are they interacting with them? Which are they scrolling? Are they stopping? Are they bouncing right away? So it has the recordings and you can watch the recordings. The most next level part of this, I think, is the heat map. So the heat map allows you to visualize where people are going on your landing page. So the areas of importance, and this makes it super easy. And this is what Claude can look at as well. So you can ask it, what are the areas on my landing page that I should change according to the heat map? And it'll give you recommendations. So it has the average time spent, length of session, so you can see, okay, this area is green, that's good. This area is not as good. This area is purple. And so it goes through your entire landing page so you can help address pain points, problem areas. So this is a huge problem area, and it just helps you visualize everything, which makes this really, really cool to be able to use and look at. So what are the things that you can ask Claude? So here are a couple of things that you can ask Claude to do and give the prompts that you can give it once it's connected to your Clarity app. So you can ask it, find your drop-off points. So pull scroll depth and range click data to see exactly where visitors lose interest on your landing page. And here is the Claude prompt. So this is an obvious one because we want to make sure to adjust those landing pages because that's where we're losing a lot of people. You can compare behavior by traffic source. So you can see, where your traffic differs from Facebook versus Google. See if your page is actually built for the audience that you're paying to send there. And then here's the prompt for that. You can find dead clicks. So you can discover elements people are clicking that aren't actually clickable. This is a huge one, I think, like in general across the board, whether you're doing a landing page or you're doing your other pages. You want to see, okay, what are people clicking on that they think is clickable and it's not going anywhere? We want to make sure that those go somewhere because we want to keep them engaged. mobile versus desktop breakdown. So we want to see, okay, 90% of Facebook ad traffic is mobile. If your page converts on desktop but not mobile, this tells you exactly where the mobile experience breaks. And there's the prompt for that. And then converting versus non-converting sessions. You can compare behavior of people who opted in versus bounce. Show how long they stayed, how far they scrolled, what they interact with. This is your blueprint of adjustments that you need to make. And again, all of these are prompts that you can just run in Claude, and it'll tell you exactly what to fix based on the clarity information that it has. It can see everything once you have this plugin attached, which is really next level. Now, the other thing that you can do is basically run this entire money page architecture prompt, and run this in Claude, and it's going to help you analyze your entire website structure and optimize all of your pages. So then you can make these adjustments and then have Claude analyze your website and use this to make all of the adjustments and optimize your website pages. So this is the full prompt that you can run. If you want this prompt, type prompt below and I'll give this to you. But we're going to run this and I'm going to show you exactly the output that you get. Because there's a lot to this prompt. There's like, I don't even know how many pages this is. There's like 9 pages of prompt information here. So it's a lot. But we're going to run this in Claude and I'm going to show you the output. And then I'm going to show you what to do with the output so that you can improve your traffic like these guys. These guys are a couple of our clients running this strategy. You can see almost 18,000 in traffic, 16,000 in traffic. Also, they're getting improvement in backlinks and AI citations. Look at these AI citations. I mean, this is crazy. Look at these backlinks. Crazy. So they're optimizing. They're doing a really good job optimizing and releasing content with their supporting pages and their supporting blog posts. So I'm going to show you how to do that next with this prompt. So let's run the prompt and I'm going to show you how to tweak everything. There's the prompt. We're going to hit run. Let this bad boy do its thing. It's probably going to ask me for the URL. So let's grab a URL. Let's just do like a dentist office here. Just pulled up a random dentist office in Miami that we're going to give it because it's going to need to analyze everything so it can make adjustments and make tweaks. All right. So I'm going to give it the URL so it can start analyzing it. All right. So it's asking me questions about the industry and model. So let's just do dental implants. I don't have any idea what they offer. This is a random website. So I just needed to run this so we can kind of see the output. Geography, which of those cities, let's just say Miami. Miami Beach is the area because it's a local business. So it's going to do the analysis. It's going to do a competitor analysis to build out. Basically what this is going to do is it's going to analyze the website and build out content money pages and your structure with a supporting documentation plan so that you can get a lot more traffic. All right, primary offers, top 5. Let's just do smile makeover. All right, here we go. I don't want to do all the offers because that's going to be a lot of information here. But again, if you have all those offers for your business, then do all the offers. All right, now it's going to ask me some different questions. What best describes your offer priority? Let's do smile makeover. Every high ticket procedure. Let's just do bone grafting, skin veneers, single tooth. Let's just do veneers. I don't want to do everything here. Primary conversion goal. Book consultation online. All right. Ideal customer. Let's just do 35 to 45. Cash. What are they actually trying to fix? Whitening and Miami Beach. And then insurance. We don't want to use insurance. We want cash pay. All right. So you can see how in-depth this prompt is. It's really ironing out all these details so it can build you out the best plan possible. Differentiation and proof. What I need from you. Pick whichever, apply and add specifics. Total review count. Be honest only. Real differentiator is fine. This is fine. Just run it with what you have. I don't want to ask many more questions, but it's very thorough. So if if you're asking all these questions, you're being very thorough. It's going to build you out an exceptional plan. All right. Top competitors. Who are actually losing my patience for and content myself? Just tell me. I'll name them. I don't know. Pull top 3 from Google. Yeah. just pull it for me. All right, so the full analysis is done. This is so helpful. So firstly, it has your business overview here. Then it has your core money page architecture. So this is your sitemap. This is how your site should be designed. And this is where most people will drop the ball. And this is why you're not getting as much traffic as you probably should be getting. So obviously you have a home page, but then here is where it's most important, the primary money pages. So you should build out your money pages for your services that you offer. Each page should be dedicated to one of your services. So here's porcelain veneers, smile makeover, full mouth reconstruction, cosmetic, and then segment pages. So then basically you want to build out, so these are the main pages, but then you're going to build out each segment page for each location for these money pages. So for veneers, we're building out veneers Miami Beach, veneers Aventura, so, and then cosmetic dentistry Sunny Island. So we're building them out for each of these pages. You're going to have multiple, almost duplicate pages, but they're going to be tailored to each specific location. And then you're going to have the trust pages. So your about, patient results, patient reviews, financing and investment. So this helps build trust. It helps give people the information that they need. And then your conversion page, book a consultation, online scheduler. And then you're going to have phase 3 is your resource hub, the blog pages, comparison page, FAQ hub. Then you want to have feature and use case expansion. This is specifically for AI visibility. So a lot of people are not getting cited in AI search, AI overviews, and they're missing a lot of traffic potential. So here's how you want to structure it for AI and to get featured in AI overviews. So like for instance, porcelain veneers, you want to make sure that you're answering these questions, and because this is how people are searching, how long do porcelain veneers last? They're searching that way. So AI is pulling this information, and if you don't have this structure, then you're not going to get shown in those results or in those overviews. So here's like the whole build out for porcelain veneers. Here's for smile makeover. Here's for full mouth reconstruction. So you're building it out for every single service, and make sure you're answering these questions and putting that valuable information. And then here's a keyword strategy. So it has the primary keyword and then the page and the volume of traffic. So you want to make sure that you're using these keywords, long tail variations of keywords as well, informational keywords, comparison keywords, and then branded versus unbranded split. So right now the brand has 0 awareness for cosmetic searches. The recommendation, 95% unbranded, 5% branded for the last 90 days. So as the cosmetic before and after gallery and reviews grow, branded volume will follow. So here's validation tools that you can kind of check your keywords and performance, internal linking blueprint. So here is what you want to start doing as far as the rest of your content is releasing blogs that are targeting to your money pages. So the blogs are going to bring in traffic, and then the money pages are going to book the consultations. So here's some initial blog ideas that you can use and create the blogs around with those internal links to your money pages. And then you can have offer pages as well. Each location page links to the specific offer page, comparison pages to money page. So all this structure is built out. Reusable money page framework. So here's kind of how you want to lay out your pages. So lots of information here. Here's FAQ section, proof section, CTAs, conversion copy template, more CTAs, objection headlight, block templates, AI search optimization, tactics. So super advanced stuff, comparison pages, schema markup. This is just a lot. I'm not going to go through every single detail. Competitive analysis, blog money page support strategy. So this is, and then the rest of this stuff. So the next phase of using this, one of the big things outside of building out your money pages and your location pages is executing on the blog support strategy. So this is where your traffic is going to come from mainly, because people are going to be searching and they're going to be landing on your content. So what we want to do is we want to use our blog support strategy and build out these blogs so we can improve our traffic. And this is what these guys are doing really, really well that I mentioned earlier. Over here, they are doing a really good job of building out their blog execution strategy. So what you can do is you can take this information as far as these ideas as for the blog, and you can build out blogs around these tailored to your brand and your brand assets. So what I use and what those other guys use to do that a lot easier is going to be Arvo. So this is an SEO program. This is an amazing SEO tool. So what you can do is you can literally go in here, you can create SEO articles. You just paste in the keyword, paste in the title, you click add keywords, and then basically you can generate articles right away for whatever topic you want. The nice thing about this is you can edit this and add in your website, your knowledge base, any training materials you want. You can format it. You can add in your call to action, book now, free consultation. You can internally link to your sitemap. So basically these articles, when it creates them, it's going to have all your brand assets in here. So it's using AI, but it's using your brand assets. So it's not going to be AI slop. It's going to be high quality, engaging articles that are going to get picked up on AI overviews, AI citations, because you're writing them the wrong way and you're using the Claude framework to get the information that you need to create the blog articles about. So you can kind of go in here and look. Here's a couple samples for you. Like here's one for like Miami, like landscaping. You can kind of see it creates these articles using brand assets, generates images, all text. If I open this up, it has all the bells and whistles in here from an SEO standpoint that you're not going to have to do. And then you can integrate this with any website and it'll automatically publish these articles for you. And then people are landing on this, finding out the information, and then this is going to link to your money pages. So you can see here, it'll automatically link to using your sitemap. So they just have to click here and it'll be the whole lawn care service. It'll be the whole veneers service for dentistry. So it links everything together. And this is why this strategy works really well, because you're linking everything together and you're getting shown in AI citations, you're getting backlinks because the articles are high quality. And then most important, you're getting tons of traffic from this. So this paired with clarity, paired with the Claude prompt, paired with building out your money pages and your blog strategy, all that paired together is going to help you get a ton more traffic, a ton more backlinks, a ton more AI citations. So if you want this prompt to be able to run this and get all that high quality information to make sure your website is optimized, type prompt below. There's also the link to Arvo below. It's a next level SEO tool that I use every single day. You can also use it to monitor LLM performance as well. So here's where you can integrate with your website. Another really good tool of this is monitoring, real quick, is you can monitor your LLM performance. Here's an example based on SEMrush, but you can enter these prompts in here of the main things that people are searching for and just make sure that you're showing up in AI citations, in AI overviews. And you can monitor the sentiment, you can monitor the visibility, and you can add as many prompts as you want here. So this is another great asset because this is going to become more and more important as you're building out and managing your website, as AIs become bigger and bigger and bigger. That's the way everyone's going to be searching going forward. So that's it for today. Hopefully that helps you out. Make sure you download that integration. Make sure you get clarity if you're not already using it. It's free and it's a great tool to use in conjunction with Claude and the other stuff that I talked about today.